Number 45. A car's electrical system runs on 12 volts, and a fuse protects the circuit with a 15 ohm load. Find the maximum currents before the fuse blows. So we want to know I, and we know E and R. So I equals E divided by R. I equals 12 divided by 15. Now you can definitely divide that through, but I'm going to reduce it by 3 to get 4 over 5. And I happen to know that that's 80% or 0.8. But if you didn't, you can divide it through to get 0.8. And that's current, so we're dealing with amps. A ceiling fan has a power rating of 75 watts and operates at 230 volts. Find the current drawn. So we want to know I, and we know P and E. So I equals P divided by E. So I equals 75 divided by 230. And I think that would reduce to a third, but let's just go ahead and divide it. I believe it would, but I'm not going to take us down that rabbit hole if I don't know. So 230. We'll see right here, 230 times 3 is 690. Fifteen minus 9 is 6. And then bring in a 0. Am I doing that? I'm going to cheat on this one, guys. 75 divided by 230. It was not a third. See, I'm operating under the assumption that it's a third, and it's not. It's close, but it's not. Okay, so 230, that would be 2 times for 460. And we have 10 minus 6 is 4, and that's 140. So let's bring down another one. And 230, that's probably going to go about 6 times. 12, 13. I'm going to call it quits right here, and I'm going to round it to, this is not over, but it's going to be enough to round. So I'm going to say that it's about a third of an amp. So it would not have reduced to 1/3. I thought it would, and I could take a shortcut, but it didn't. Okay, number 47. I promise we're almost done. A 5 ohms resistor is used in a 9-volt circuit. How much current flows through it? So I equals, we're looking for E and R, and it's E divided by R. I equals 9 divided by 5. I know that 5 goes into 9 one time with 4 left. That's 1 1/8. If you need to divide it through, you surely can. Add a 0, and you'll get it to terminate. 1.8, and that's current, so we're looking for amps. A 1500 watt space heater operates at 120 volts, and we need to know the resistance when we know P and E. So this is E squared divided by P. So R equals 120 squared divided by 1500. So 120 squared, we can shortcut here. Bring your 2 zeros down under the line. And then 12 12s are 144. So we have 14400 divided by 1500, and we can cancel 2 sets of zeros. Get rid of that, and we'll divide. So you have 144 divided by 15, and that's going to be 9. That would be 135, right? Yes. And so we get to subtract. We get 14 minus 5 is 9. Add a 0 and bring it down. Oh, it's going to terminate. That would be 6 times with none left over. So we're looking at 9.6 ohms. And I am going to check that. 14400 divided by 1500. Yes, 9.6 ohms.